In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. After first setup, search bar will appear on your screen. If you don't want it, you can always delete it. In order to do it now, hold your search bar until you see this pop-up. Then you need to click on Remove Widget pop-up and wait for the second one that will appear at the bottom of your screen. Confirm your choice by tapping on Remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar is gone. Quick tip: if you ever wanna restore it, you can do that by pinching your display, tapping on widgets at the bottom located between icons and layout, scroll to find Google app, and when you find it, hold search bar below it. Google app is here, and here's our search bar. Then you need to hold it, drag it to the perfect place on your screen and let go. When you're ready, hit done at the top right corner or simply tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!